All right.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go for it.
Galaxy Buds Pro.
What do you think of the color?
I don't know. It's a bit weird. I see shades of like pink in it. What is it supposed to be?
I ordered the silver one.
USB cable and the tips, I'm guessing. Yeah. That's a nice long USB cable. Away with those. So, look, this is the Buds Live, the black one. Okay, this is glossy, this is more matte. The AirPods Pro is a bit heavier. The Jabra is definitely heavier. Sennheiser, Bose, Sony. Okay, shall we open this guy?
Let's do it.
Look at that shiny thing. Check this out, man. Hey, that's interesting. Also oval. Everybody's gone over to oval.
Yeah.
All right, let's walk through the app. I'm gonna put these earbuds in, well, at least one of them. Hey, I wonder if it plays with only one earbud. It works. So no master slave. That's a one up over the Jabra. Okay, so this is the Galaxy Buds Pro settings in the Wear app. So this is the app. It's called Galaxy Wear. I did need to download another plugin for the Galaxy Buds Pro, but that wasn't much to download. So let's start from the left. So I have a Buds Live, so it shows you both the devices. You can disconnect, you can do some app notification stuff and do that's the notifications you get from this app. That's the Android thing. And then about, it tells you which version of the plugin, which version of the wearable app you have. Now let's go through this app. You see here, I'm only connected to my left earbud. That's the only one I've gotten in right now. The touch got activated. The right one is in the case, right? So if I open the case, yeah, you can see that it shows the case percentage battery, the right earbud percentage. I'm going to close it. That's really nice that you can use this just one earbud. Noise controls, you have active noise cancelling, you have off, and you have ambient sound. On ambient sound, what I found was that the medium was closer to what the Apple AirPods Pro gave you as an ambient sound. Anything about that is kind of super hearing territory. So that's cool. You can turn it off if you don't like it at all, or you can go to ANC. Oh, that's interesting. I need to have both my earbuds in to actually even activate ANC in the app. So let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, and now it lets me go to ANC. That's fun. On the ANC, you don't have a slider, you just have high or low. So I'm on high right now. I've gone to low. That's what you can do. You have voice detect. We found in our initial test that it's quite annoying. So I've left it on off. What voice detect does is if you enable it, every time I talk, it goes into ambient mode, so you can't sing along. It works well. It doesn't work with someone else's voice, so it needs your voice to activate, but it doesn't function as well as I would like it. So I've left it off. It's similar to Sony WH-1000XM4 speak to chat feature. We did find that feature worked better on the Sony than this works on the Samsung. But it's early days, so maybe updates. Block touches, so yeah, it has touch panels, so you can choose to block touches, which means it's completely disabled.
On each bud, or is it both buds?
Both buds together is disabled. There's no left or right. I found it really annoying, especially if you keep needing to adjust it. It starts playing music or it switches to ANC mode. So touch and hold, you can customize. I've kept it on ANC, that's the most used after the play pause. But you can also use it for volume down and volume up, the touch and hold. So similar to the Galaxy Buds Live, so you do have volume controls, that's good. And on Android, you get the Spotify option. I don't think you get it on iOS. Or you can go to voice command. So a Google Assistant kind of situation. You have equalizer settings. I thought they did a good job. The normal is what I like the most. It's very similar to the AirPods Pro sound, I thought, with maybe a wider sound stage. So I like the normal a lot. The bass boost was just bleh. I don't like it at all. I wouldn't recommend it unless you really need bass. What else do we have? We have read notifications allowed. So you need to give it permission to read notifications from your phone. I've left it on for now, but yeah, it's not a major feature. You have seamless earbud connection, and that is switch quickly to nearby devices without disconnecting your earbuds. But you need to log in to your Samsung account on those devices. So if you have 3 phones, you need to have the app and the Samsung account, and then it does a la Apple, it switches to the device you're using. So you play music on one and get a phone call on the other, it switches. Stuff like that. Hearing enhancements, that's just the balance of left and right. So it's nice that they have that, because not everybody's left and right ears are equally working well. What else do we have? Find my earbuds. Okay, both of these earbuds are connected. Shall we do a quick test of Find My Earbuds? I'm gonna take these off. So now they're connected. I'm still gonna try and...
They're making a sound.
They're making a sound, but it's... Yeah, they're getting louder now, you see? That's good. So I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna put them back in the case and see if that works. Oh, the app just crapped out on me. So if they're not connected, you can't use the app and you can't use the Find My Earbuds feature. So it's only in case you have at least one earbud connected. So for example, if I put this one in and I say Find My Earbuds, the left one is disconnected, so you cannot find the left earbud if it's in the case. So if you lose your earbuds in the case, you have a problem. But I suppose if they're out of the case, like in this case, you can find them. So it's mainly if you drop a earbud while you're actually listening to music. All right, what else do we have? General, we have a reset. Yeah, you reset all your settings. Earbud software update, no, we just did it. So there's no software that needs to be updated. And tips and user manual, and that's it. That's a walkthrough of the app.
So if you're interested to pick up these buds, do check out the latest prices in the description box down below. And using those links will help the channel a little bit. So consider it a thank you, and do consider using those links. And if you don't, then that's also fine. But give us a like and a comment on this video. So I was taking a look at Rowan wearing these earbuds, and I've got to be honest, I'm not a big fan of how they look. Look a bit cheap to me because of the whole glossy silver plastic feel. They're not too protruding, so that's kind of nice, but in terms of fit or comfort, that's something Rowan has got to tell you, because he's the one who's tested them in his ears.
What about the fit? I think they fit really well. I think the oval ear tips are the way to go. Jabra did that, AirPods are doing that. I think you see all the next generation of earbuds will be having oval tips. I changed the size to fit my ears.
Drop test.
So this thing, they're really light in your ear. They feel very comfortable. I'm not sure they're very secure, because we did a headbanging test. You can watch that. But I really like how they fit. They're very comfortable. I think for a day, for longer use, they will be comfortable, but we need to test that. Feels good in the ear, very light. We tested the ANC as well. Interestingly, I think they're just going up against the AirPods Pro. That was the goal of these buds, and I think they've accomplished that. We think they sound very similar in terms of ANC to the AirPods Pro. The transparency mode, on the other hand, it has 4 settings, and the second setting is medium, and I think that's where it compares with the AirPods Pro. The medium on this is the same as AirPods Pro full noise cancelling. So the high and the extra high are just, they give you super hearing. So if you want to be Superman, these are really good. And it's kind of good. I guess it helps as a hearing aid for a lot of people. So that's nice. I don't like the touch controls. I really don't, because you have this for touch controls, this area, and yeah, you have to keep, if you have to fidget with them, then they end up activating, and I always block touches on the Galaxy Buds Live. I think I'm going to do the same with the Galaxy Buds Pro. That's it. Those were the first impressions. For the full test of sound quality, in-depth ANC test, for the battery life test, stay subscribed to the channel, and we'll be dropping that video very, very soon. You've been watching us fumbling around with an unboxing, and
we've been DHRME.
Namaste.
Very broke. Yeah, wait. There we go.
that.